Hi there, I'm Patrick, and welcome to my hands-on course on augmented reality with ARCore in Unity. Technology has always revolutionized the way we work and live. Consider computers, phones, washing machines, and more. They allowed us to lead easier and more efficient lives, and augmented reality is the next step in that journey. Think of museums that can enhance history and art by overlaying the real world with sound, audio, and graphics. In laboratories to show location-specific guidance for frontline workers, or even showing precise real-time data for doctors while performing surgery. In this course, we'll dive into the development process and use the best tools for you to augment the real world. That's why we're going to use ARCore, which is one of the most easiest to use SDKs out there for AR. I'm a creative developer working on interactive applications with multiple years of experience with AR and VR. I'm also a passionate part-time game designer, and I'm very interested in education, psychology, and some good dystopian books. The first section of this course will be about the installation and configuration of Android Studio, Unity, and ARCore. I'll be properly setting you up to manage, debug, and develop your new AR applications quickly. In the second section, we'll start to understand the fundamentals of ARCore, such as motion tracking, environmental detection, image recognition, and light estimation. With the newly acquired knowledge, we will dive into the development process and create a face mask application in the third section. We'll keep interactivity, extendability, and modularity in mind. Then in the fourth section, we'll delve more into the game development, and with performance and scalability, we'll create a car game prototype. Here, we also talk about how we effectively can scale our scene with physics in mind in augmented reality. With that, the user is able to place the scene on a coffee table or on the street. In the last practical section, we'll use the image recognition of ARCore to create a visually appealing poster that comes to life once the user taps the screen. At the end of the course, I will tell you about the business implementations of augmented reality, Unity's response to a unified AR platform, and the future of ARCore. With the basics of Unity and C#, I'd like to stop wasting time explaining what we'll do, and I hope you'll join me in the next section where we'll install and configure ARCore in Unity.